Hi, this is Sajeesh Rajendran, and today I had an opportunity to interact with the students of FTIH, and it was such a nice interaction. And FTIH is a nice place to be at a time when film education is becoming more democratic. Back then, when in our days, there were only very film institutes, and accessibility was very less. But now, places like FTIH plays a major role in democratizing film education, and it's very important to have spaces like this so that film education is accessible to everyone. And at the same time, FTIH has a very interesting vibe. I could feel that here, and the students were very interactive, and I kind of loved being with them. Also, I've been following FTIH for quite some time in their Instagram and stuff like that, and I kind of feel the commitment that they have for the students. They're trying to update their inventory. They're trying to get good faculties. They're trying to get some interesting guest lectures, I think, which are all very important for film education. So I think that way FTIH is a good place to be. Thank you for inviting me, and I would love to keep coming back. Thank you.